It's Kathy from Montessori Beginnings, and I'm here to read a story to you. Today, I'm reading The Toolbox, and this is by Anne and Harlow Rockwell, and they also created the pictures that you'll see inside the book. The Toolbox. In my cellar, there is a toolbox. It is dark brown where hands have touched it. It has a saw and a hammer and nails. And a drill that goes around and around and makes holes in wood. This drill may look a little different than the drill you see at home. It's not an electric or a battery operated drill. This drill, you hold at the top and turn the handle kind of like an egg beater. It's a little bit different. The toolbox has screws and a screwdriver. And there is a clamp that holds pieces of wood together. There is a big, strong wrench that turns the big, fat nuts and bolt. And there is a plane that smooths wood and makes curly shavings. There is a ruler that measures. There are pliers that pinch. There is sandpaper to smooth wood and plaster. There are work gloves, and there is a file to rub on rough edges of metal to make them smooth. There are sharp wire cutters and a coil of wire. There is an oil can with a tiny hole. It is my father's toolbox. The toolbox. Now maybe your father has a toolbox, and maybe your mother or your grandpa or your grandma or uncle or aunt might even have a toolbox somewhere in the house or maybe out in a shed. Do you ever get to work with tools? Sometimes I work with tools. I hope you enjoyed this story, The Toolbox. Thank you for joining me.